Do you want to create a dish display area where customers stay at a glance? Take a look at the spray display cabinets used by Hot Pot skewers. The whole machine is made of yellow titanium gold brushed stainless steel. Placed in the store, it improves the store's grade and enhances the image of the store. Many of our cooperative Hot Pot restaurant owners said, once the display cabinet is installed, customers are more appetizing when ordering dishes. High brightness lighting and stepped shelves, displaying ingredients in a three-dimensional and layered way. 360 degrees air-cooled circulation and ultrasonic spray. Open all day. Vegetables will not wilt, and the meat one change color. We are the original manufacturer. We can customize the size, appearance, and functions.